Cooking soul.
See what you want, homie. See what you looking, trip. You want beef, don't you? Let's get it crackin'. I get it. I get it. Now let me tell you something. I'm loco, no frontin'. I never hit you from the back, so better bring me something. I smile while sippin' something, looking at y'all. That's why I'm dressing ready to kill. Don't fleet to the motherfucking mall. Get it? Don't hate when I'm rolling ball. Your blood, I wash it off. I let your mama suck my nuts until my dick gets soft. Hold up my pussy call. Your bitch done blew you off. You best enjoy before the ripper's gonna bust at y'all. So I'ma make it for I prefer the 12 days. Stay, I'm acting on my motherfucking evil ways. I beat you like your father. Don't even dare to bother. So when I'm shooting in my race, you're probably hitting under. I fuck your brains up. I was fucked in James Wood. But grab your chest guard is fucked up. So what? Cuz I let your body shake until you got a stomach kicking. You know I'm fucking with you. People call me peacemaker. See what you want, homie. See what you looking, trip. You want beef, don't you? Let's get it crackin'. See what you want, homie. See what you looking, trip. You want beef, don't you? Let's get it crackin'. You want beef, motherfucker? Let the dogs out. And the dogs put your ass out. Yeah, go to the streets, boy. Then we can do it on the streets, boy. I grab my AK-47, pull it in your neck. I don't tolerate shit, no disrespect. And for you ain't my mate, write me a check. Nigga Blackbeard, all hands on deck. I conquer worlds, you was G.I. Joe. I bet you love a bitch, I fuck her home. I don't play fair, life is a glitch. You was wet pussy, so suck a dick.
Pussy niggas. Tripping on this motherfucking beat, my high as a kite. We don't give a fuck. Young Gems beat. Ready to do this, nigga. Kill these motherfuckers, dig?
See what you want, homie. See what you looking, trip. You want beef, don't you? Let's get it crackin'.